It looks unlikely with the huge crowd that Vikram, his friend circle, and the book, and all the various guests we have here tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we please have a big round of applause for our first time author? Both hands. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on behalf of...
I'm learning. On behalf of Popular Prakashan, I'd like to welcome you all here today. I'm going to take exactly a minute first to thank Vikram for giving us this opportunity to get to know him and to publish this book, which I think is going to rock the world of cricket in the coming months. Yuvraj Singh, our guest, who's its fans, and we have one big fan who's flown in all the way from Calcutta. He's taking a fan base for Indian cricket, and I'm going to ask, we'll release the book and get on with the proceedings. I'm inviting Raghav Gupta.
Until I met Vikram, this guy is incredible. He is passionate, he's an achiever. He's the ultimate example of a fan who is living his childhood dream in his professional career. He's a true poster boy. Anand Sunita and myself are the founders of Fanatic Sports, a dedicated sports travel company for major global sporting events. Fanatic Sports is the official travel agent for the upcoming ICC Cricket World Cup. Is the official fan travel partner for Vikram's book, How Sachin Destroyed My Life. On reading the contents of the book, I knew this was God sent in his cricketing journeys. I would like every cricket fan to live this dream of getting close to live action. We want to provide this experience to every cricket fan in the country so that they can live the dream just like Vikram. I would like to thank Vikram and Harsha to give me this opportunity. I would like to thank my family for here with me. I conclude by wishing...
I don't need 2 mics, but... Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's only a little bit because he's told me I only have to say nice things about him today. And honestly, I think I'll be done in about 30 seconds, yeah. But if I could actually tell you about him, we could be here for a very entertaining half hour at least. We'd like to thank a few people. And when I say we, is because I think I'm a very important part in this book, which is the reason why I autographed a few copies. This book would not have happened if I was not riding him like a bronco every day, saying how much have you written, what have you written, send it to me right now. He basically wants to nap every afternoon and achieve world domination through that. Unfortunately, it's not possible. So he did pick up the pen and he did write this book. But this story goes back about 10 or 12 years when we were sitting one evening at a friend's house and this rather resplendently bald gentleman showed up in our midst. And we were hanging out with our friend Johnny Walker for a very long time, and he came then, started entertaining us, and it was like a buzz around. We said, okay, Tony Greig's voice, and then he would start. And we said, Ravi Shastri's voice, and he would start. And he would do all these voices, and from there on we said, you really should do this on stage. And little did we know that he would make millions doing this, live the enviable dream of every cricket fan in the world, travel with the team, be the inside man, and then of course break everybody's trust by printing it all in this book. So, that's horrible. Does Dhoni know what you've written about him? That's terrible. But before he thanks me for being the Subhash guy to his Meenakshi Seshadri, we'd personally like to thank a few people. The first is Chetan Bhagat for writing his latest book and validating the relationship we've had. He is my half-girlfriend. I have to pick him up every time we're going out anywhere. He gets upset if I don't call him for 2 days. So we do have that kind of relationship. And of course, our senior, Harsha ji, who's sitting here with his precious feet. And before I hand over to Mandira and Harsha to say nice things about him, because that's what they're capable of doing, I'd also like to do another poll. All people here who've made at least 6 figures from Sony, please raise your hands. Some people there, so let's raise your hands. I'll now, in order of age before beauty, so Mandira, why don't you start? Sorry, I mean Harsha, why don't you start?
There's a time when people looked at Navjot Sidhu and thought he spoke in Vikram's voice. he's done a magnificent Ravi Shastri to the extent that now everyone speaks to Vikram in a different accent.
That's good. That's good. It's Thursday.
Vikram does a magnificent Sharad Pawar, which he will not do today given all that's happening in political circles.
It doesn't sound right, but he does a Mandira Bedi as well. Once in a while.
His Sachin is legendary. But there's one person he's never been able to do. He's done Gaurav, he's done Mandira. I don't know if that puts me in a small club. He's never been able to do me.
Harsha, I like that one. Thank you. Well, we go back to 2003, where we both started our careers together. He came to do stand-up, he came to do comedy. I was doing comedy at the same time back in 2003. I just didn't know it back then. But it's been a wonderful friendship. He and I discuss cricket. We, just to tell you how much of a cricket fan he really is, both of us took membership to a cricket club a couple of years ago, and we sat on the Maidan. Actually, we lay down, and we looked up at the sky and said, you know, you and me, because of our connection with cricket, हमारा हक बनता है, we belong here. And that's how much he loves cricket, and we've loved cricket together. We've done lots of stuff together, lots of cricket related gigs together, apart from all the stuff that we've done on Sony. And I am only going to say nice things because I feel only nice things for Vikram Sathi. I mean it, no really. Even though he does a very mediocre me, he does a better everybody else, but I wish him from the bottom of my heart every success in this book, because God knows nobody deserves it more than him, really.
There's a personal request that Harsha and me have. Can you invite Yuvraj Singh here in the voice of Navjot Singh Sidhu?